So friends, welcome to our channel. When you opening the Roblox, then this error will be shown on your screen. Memory dump capture. The memory dump was captured to your clipboard. So why this error problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem? So guys, you can watch this video till end, follow the steps, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos like that. So watch this video carefully till the end. First, restart your PC. Sounds basic, but it clears stuck memory leaks. Do this before anything else. Close background apps. Roblox is very sensitive to RAM. Close Chrome, especially with lots of tabs, Discord overlay, screen recorders. Memory and system fixes. Increase virtual memory, very important. If Windows runs out of RAM, Roblox crashes. Steps for Windows: press Win plus R, then type sysdm.cpl. Go to Advanced tab under Performance, then Settings, Advanced tab, then Virtual Memory, then Change. Uncheck Automatically Manage. Select your main drive. C. Choose custom size, initial size 1.5, your RAM, maximum size 3, your RAM, example 16 GB RAM, 2, 24576 or 49152. Click set, then OK, then restart. Roblox specific fixes: lower Roblox graphics in game, ESC, then settings, graphics mode, then manual, graphics, then 1 to 3 bars, high graphics is equals to higher memory usage. Reinstall Roblox clean way. Corrupt files cause memory dumps. Uninstall Roblox. Press Win plus R, then paste. Delete the entire Roblox folder. Restart PC. Reinstall from roblox.com. Driver and system checks. Update GPU drivers. Outdated drivers equals to crashes. NVIDIA GeForce Experience, AMD and Renal software in Intel driver assistance. Disable overlays. Turn off Discord overlay, Xbox Game Bar, GeForce overlay, Steam overlay. I hope guys understand what I'm saying. Do like this video. Thanks for watching.